You're dealing with the stress in a corporate environment sitting at a desk, but you're doing it for somebody else. In the franchise world, you still have the stress. The stress doesn't go away, but you're doing it for yourself and your family. I think the one big fear that keeps people from jumping to the entrepreneurial side, because that's one thing I looked at the corporate world. I'm like, look, I got a pension, a 401k, I got guaranteed pay, and I have my family. And so it was kind of like an anchor to keep you there.
You paid well, you get good bonuses, and all those good things are things that almost, what they call it, like the golden handcuffs. They kind of keep you there and you don't want to leave. So I had all that. But the frustration was the ups and downs. I saw many of my peers be walked out during those down times. And it's not something that I wanted to keep experiencing. So I ventured out to do my own thing, and here I am today.
If the kids have something going on at school, some sort of event, or they have a need out of me, it makes it easier to not have to, answer to somebody, try and request time off.
I've had some cool experiences where my daughter's called me in the middle of the day and she's like, hey Dad, I don't like the lunch they have today. Can you bring me lunch? And I told my wife, I was like, I'm not taking her lunch in the middle of the day. She'll be fine. My wife was like, do it, man. This, build these moments and these memories for your daughter. So I literally had an opportunity a couple of times just to run up there and take her some lunch and, see the big smile on her face. These are things I would not have been able to do. I couldn't get up and leave a corporate office to go take my kid lunch. So being your own boss allows you those freedoms to be able to do that. Even when you got to work late sometimes, during the day you can do those things to be there for your kid, come back to the office or grab the computer at home and do whatever you've got to do then. So that part of it is awesome. I do love that part.
That to me, that's something that money can't buy. You can still have your own vision with United Water Restoration. I have found that the franchise is always there for support when I need them, but at the end of the day, it falls on me and what my vision is for my franchise.
Don't be afraid to jump. There were a lot of points where I was kind of nervous about it because, it's a lot of money that you're going to write in checks for. You're buying a lot of equipment. You're taking on a lot of responsibility, but at the end of the day, you got to jump if you're going to be successful. So take the lead.
But, once you spread your wings and you start feeling the success of what you're doing, there's nothing else I could do anymore. There's no way I could go to work for somebody else anymore. It's the stresses that I've experienced with this are worth it.